Hey everybody, today at the UPR garage we're going to replace the factory vertical link, which is a stamped steel part from the factory with rubber bushings, with our UPR billet vertical link. Now this is a billet part, it's going to be much stronger, reduced flexing, and it has Delrin bushings instead of rubber bushings, so this is going to really firm up the rear suspension and get a lot of that kind of weird kind of squirrely feeling that you get with some of the S550s and S650s. So this will fit 15 all the way through 24. The first thing you need is an 18mm wrench or socket and a 15mm wrench or socket. You're going to take these two bolts out. You certainly can use a gun or a electric tool to get this out. I'm an old man, so I'm kind of old school. Now on the back side of this top one, there is a nut with a flag on it, and that flag is there so that you don't have to hold it when you're tightening or loosening that nut. But you do want to grab it when it's getting ready to be loose. Now the vertical link, you'll see it has a cone here, so we're going to need to pop that out of its socket and pop the lower out. We'll use a pry bar for that. The UPR also has the vertical link also has a cone there, and we have these washers that are important. They need to go on either side of the lower bushing. So we're going to start by popping the lower portion out of its socket and pop that out. Your UPR vertical link is going to come with these stainless washers as well as a little packet of grease. You're going to apply the grease to the Delrin bushing on the face. Pop that washer on there and a little bit more grease on the washer. And then you're going to repeat on the other side. Now, with the Delrin being firmer than rubber, the challenge you'll have is getting everything to pop in. So you may need to use a plastic dead blow hammer and or a pry bar to get everything together. All right, so once you get the lower bolt started, you can use a pry bar or a fork. You want to basically rotate this knuckle so you get that bolt started, and then you're going to push the spherical portion of the upper portion of the toe link into the pocket. And be very careful of your fingers when you do this. Once you get that seated into the pocket, you're going to run your bolt in that has the nut on the back. Put a little grease on the face of the Delrin bushing. And run it in with a 15mm wrench. Once you have this all bolted back up, you're going to torque these to 129 foot-pounds. That's your UPR Billet vertical link for your S550 or S650 Mustang. Get yours at uprproducts.com or at any UPR Products dealer. On a scale of 1 to 10 cuss words, I would say this one's probably a 2 cuss word, 1 beer job.